us and the hurdles that they are having. Like we mentioned, one of the key strategists, Adhav Arjuna, arrived at Vijay's residence. Now more information also coming in of CTR Nirmal Kumar coming in at the CPI office. So the TVK leaders are going in person to these offices as the talks are going on. And Shomit is joining us from the spot. Shomit, the support from these parties is going to be very, very crucial. And it looks like this time TVK is not leaving anything to chance. The key strategists of the party, we are told, are at these offices. CTR Nirmal Kumar as well coming there. What is expected? Are the talks still going on? What are you seeing there?
See, it is very much clearly evident that Vijay is very much eager to, take the Chief Minister post to swear in as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. And we can clearly see here, this is CTR's car, Joint Secretary of the TVK party is already here. And we can clearly see the flag. This is the flag, so TVK flag. So he's already here. He's meeting the CPI leaders, and short while from now, CPM leaders are also expected here. And shortly at around 4:30, they will be addressing the media, is what they have clearly informed us. And it will be a joint briefing whether CPI, CPM will only be doing it or TVK will also be taking part. We should wait and see. But as of now, we have learned from the sources that they are going to extend support to the TVK, because even DMK doesn't have any problem with that. And even these left parties, including the VCK, they were clearly inclined towards the TVK to form the government in Tamil Nadu. We should wait and see how things will turn up, what all will be the terms and conditions, whether or not they will be extending the support or not. So all these things we should wait and see. Short while from now, a briefing is expected where these leaders will be addressing, and the CTR is also here, and he's waiting here for a positive response. And what we are given to understand is that TVK is expecting a positive response from the CPI, CPM and VCK leaders. So he's already here, and he went inside to meet the CPI leaders, and now the other second executive meeting is going on. So shortly, 45 minutes from now, they are going to address the media, and they are going to announce their decision. So we'll have to wait and see what that decision will be. But one thing we have learned from the top sources of the left party is that they are inclined towards the TVK, and they are going to extend the support, likely.
Okay, all right. So the TVK is very confident of having their support, and there has been a lot of question marks on who is going to form the government, who is going to be part of the alliance. And Madhav, very clearly, within the next hour or so, the picture will be clear. We will know clearly who will be the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.
Well, there are only two ways the story can go. And, it's down to the wire as far as the numbers are concerned. On the one hand, you have TVK and Congress, which have publicly announced 2 nights ago that they are in alliance and that they will go ahead and form the government. Their meetings with the governor thus far, the 2 rounds of meetings, haven't really been that successful. The governor has not yet allowed for them to go ahead. They've said that they have to get the letters of support of at least 118 MLAs to show that they have a majority inside the House. Just coming out with the numbers that they have currently, 108 plus 5. And remember, even of that 108, one of the seats they are down because, Vijay will, of course, be retaining the Perambur seat. We are told he's resigning from the Trichy seat. So they're already down to 107. If you add the fact that the speaker also comes into the picture, if one of the MLAs will be taken as a pro tem speaker, then that number comes down to 106. So how will they reach the 118 figure is still, of course, to that extent a suspense. But yes, if they do get the support of the TVK, of the VCK, I beg your pardon, of the CPI, of the CPM, then the TVK and Congress together along with them, they do get the majority figure. Yes, will there be any more suspense, will be any more twists in the tail, remains to be seen at this point of time. But if the VCK and the CPI, the CPM say that they are okay, for instance, at 4:30 to go along with the AIDMK and the DMK, remember that end of the day, there are many things at consideration over here. The fact is that Vijay, as the single largest party, has got a huge mandate from the people. It's stopped short of majority for sure, but is hugely popular. What will these 3 political parties have to say? They have been critical of the governor not inviting Vijay to form the government in the past. So with that kind of a position that they have taken just yesterday, will they be in a position to say today that no, we will not support Vijay if he actually goes in for a floor test? That at this point of time, sources indicating is unlikely. From morning we've been telling our viewers that CPI, CPM and BCK are more likely to actually support the TVK and the Congress. But you never know as far as the negotiations are on, as far as the talks are on. The VCK, of course, has been an old-time partner of the DMK, and with close ties with the DMK, is the VCK free to go ahead and do what it wants? That's a question that many are asking at this point of time. The DMK, for its part, has said that they are letting their allies, the erstwhile allies, do what they want, and therefore, of course, all eyes on what action will be taken, what announcement will happen at 4:30 today. But at the Raj Bhavan, at the Lok Bhavan, as it's now called, of course, you can look at the kind of preparations that are underway, barricades being prepared, being tied up over here, and clearly, of course, the security being completely beefed up, boosted over here in preparation for that crucial meeting of Vijay and the governor that's expected to take place in a short while from now. So very, very important meeting, crucial meeting, of course, that we are expecting to take place. And of course, in a short while from now, the announcement also in about next 40 minutes that we'll be getting from these three political parties.
Yes, and these are smaller parties, but very clearly they are going to play a bigger role. But to agree to come with the TVK, have they asked for a lion's share in the cabinets? They have, of course, asked for a share in the pie. What is it going to be? Shomit is reporting from the CPI office, getting us more details on what the contours of the government is going to look like. Shomit, the Congress party was extremely clear that they are extending full support to the TVK, but they will have a share in power. Is it the same demand that has come in from the CPI, CPM and the VCK now? Any details coming in on what are the negotiations that went on in these meetings? What is it that the TVK is promising to get their support on board?
See, we have learned from the sources, Pratibha, that, they have discussed on the conditions and the terms exactly, power sharing terms, and whether they'll be needing how many berths. So they have 6 MLAs and each party has 2 MLAs. So together they have 6 MLAs. And what we have learned from the sources that the discussions were held between all these three parties, and they were like, each of the party was expecting a cabinet position, a cabinet berth from the TVK. So this is what was discussed, is what we are given to understand. So we'll have to wait and see shortly. They'll be addressing the media shortly. So as of now, CTR is here, CPI leaders are here, CPM leaders are at the CPM office, and it is expected that they will be holding a joint press conference. And in that joint press conference, they will be announcing whether or not they'll be supporting the TVK, and if they are supporting, what are the terms and conditions, and what are the main requests, which will be demands and requests which are made from the left parties to the TVK. So as of now, TVK has stated that they are almost ready for the requests and demands being made by the left parties, and they've already for 2 times sent the letters, and 1 time it was sent virtually. Second time, directly leader CTR Nirmal Kumar has arrived here, and he has handed over the letters to them. And again today, because shortly from now it is expected that they will be announcing the decision, so likely they are going to support. CTR Nirmal Kumar is here, and already he's meeting the leaders in this CPI office. This is the CPI office right now we are reporting from. So shortly from now, Pratibha, a major big decision we can say is going to be announced.
Okay, it's definitely a decision that the supporters of Vijay are waiting for, and in the morning hours it seemed like the crowd was going to be slightly elusive. As news came in that Vijay is at his residence, let me just show you the visuals from here, how supporters in huge numbers have gathered outside his residence. And yes, as they have been doing during the campaign as well, this time around as well, they have been blowing whistles, and they have been asking for Vijay to become the chief minister, going on to say that we want to see as we've seen during the campaign as well, women, the elderly, many supporters of the TVK wanting to catch a glimpse of him. Similar scenes being witnessed now as well. Earlier today as well, we saw some emotional scenes when some of the supporters were also seen in tears, saying that the governor should ensure that Vijay is called in to become the chief minister. This has been the demand of the supporters. We saw some protests also breaking out outside the Lok Bhavan. Now we're seeing chants outside Vijay's residence. the supporters waiting quite eagerly. They say that the crown, that the Chief Minister's post does actually belong to Vijay. The truth is he doesn't have the numbers yet. Single largest party, but he is still cobbling up the numbers. Where will these numbers come from? In the next half an hour, we will know very clearly whether the CPI, CPM and the VCK are on board. And if that happens, then it means that we will very soon know the date for the oath-taking ceremony for Vijay, and we will know when he will be taking oath as the Chief Minister. Now, just to sum up what has happened in just the last few hours, it looked like the script had been changing in the political pot boiler every hour. Just a few hours ago, we heard the DMK leader saying that if at all the situation does arrive, then they're ready to give outside support to the ADMK. If the ADMK claims, stakes claim to form the government, then DMK will be giving an outside support. While that speculation was going on, it looks like now finally Vijay could have that entire support just about half an hour, and we will have the answers. We continue getting you the inside details of the CPI, CPM and VCK meetings and what's happening at Vijay's residence, with multiple meetings taking place as well. For now, we're slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.